Today I'm standing in this amazing outdoor space that was just finished by my friend Jacob Toller at Red Branch Construction. This is one that I designed and he installed. We did everything from the size and the shape, the fact that it has a gable roof, how it would come off of the existing home, and we added a fireplace in the corner here. We made sure that we had this beautiful pine tongue grooved ceiling and tons of lighting for this client. Overall, I'm so happy with how it turned out. Everything is so nice, light and bright, which makes it feel like this huge space. But within that, we've got little clusters of furniture that makes it feel a little more cozy. And so what I love is that we've taken brand new structure, made it feel both huge and cozy all at once. It's a balance, but I think we did it. First of all, let's check out this beautiful roof line. This is a gable roof, which means it's open on each end. And this is really great for airflow and then also to add a ton of light into the space, and the height of it also allows for a ton of light to come into the space. This is one of my favorite classic seating arrangements for outdoor furniture. You have a sofa and 2 chairs here that all face this outdoor fireplace as well as the outdoor TV. One of my favorite ceilings to use in an outdoor living space is this tongue and groove pine. This does really well here in our environment, and we've stained it a light color and then sealed it with a satin finish. From an overall design perspective, we wanted to make sure that the client had an outdoor kitchen here as well as a fireplace for some entertainment. And you may not have noticed, but this is on a golf course, and so we didn't want to block the view to the golf course. So what we did was put this fireplace in the corner. So now we have all of this open space that still allows for that view. Of course, we kept everything light and bright with a light paint color, which I think really lends itself to making the space feel just really open and clean. This was such a fun project to work on. I know a lot of people see me as a landscape designer, but I always consider myself to be an exterior designer because I'm able to help with spaces like this. We do everything from size, shape, positioning all of the fireplaces, furniture arrangement, paint colors, and everything in between.